Hi everyone. So we finally have some nice sunshine outside, so I decided to improvise and make a short video outside. In this time of a lockdown, basically our clubhouse decided to send us a few locks so that we can play with. They sent us 3 ABUS locks marked with 1, 2, 3. This is the model 8540. And yeah, the idea is some of us get them. When they pick them, they pack them back and they send it to the next one. So let's do that. Let's start with the one with number 1. And there we go, number 1 is done. So let me take this out. Let's see number 2, very nice and springy core. So that's pin 1, pin 2, pin I think 3, maybe 4. Come on then. I think I reset it. Yeah, seems I've reset it. And there we go, that's number 2. I have no idea what was holding me. This was real easy some minutes ago when I picked them. And then we have number 3. I think that's one of the neighbor's babies. So that's number 2. We fell into a full set. Number 1 and third one is open. Alright, so these are the 3 ABUSes. They were a lot of fun, so it's time for me to send them to the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.